Hello everybody and welcome to my second video on this channel. Today we're going to be making some tacos. Let's start by zesting and squeezing some limes into a bowl to start our crema. While you're at it, please make sure to watch until the end while I'll be sharing measurements to this recipe. It also helps me grow my channel, so thank you so much. After you finish zesting and squeezing the limes, it's time to cut up an avocado and put that in the bowl with jalapenos and a clove of garlic, adding parsley in there too. Now you can use an immersion blender to mix everything, adding water as you go to make it easier to combine into the crema consistency. If you don't have an immersion blender, you can also just use a regular blender on the pulse setting. With all of these recipes, chefs like to taste as they go, so go ahead and if you want, you can try yours too. When we finish the crema, let's start on the rice, letting the pan heat up and adding in salt, cumin, onion powder, and the cup of rice. After you have toasted the rice, let's add in tomato sauce and the broth of your choice, cooking until the rice had absorbed all of the liquid in the pan. Now, let's start on the homemade refried beans. First, chop up some garlic and half an onion, adding both of those to a well-oiled pan to cook for a couple minutes. Make sure to add a lot of oil in the pan to make sure the beans don't stick. While the onion and garlic is cooking in the pan, lightly mash a whole can of pinto beans into the refried bean consistency with a fork. These three spices that I'm putting in the pan are cumin, chili powder, and salt. Now, let's add the beans and cook until thickened. You can cut the chicken any way you want, but I'm going to be doing medium-sized cubes. Let's add pepper, salt, and taco seasoning, then mix to cover all of the chicken. You can cook the chicken any way you want, but I'm going to put it in a pan and cover it up with a lid so the juices stay in the meat. I know the plating doesn't look good, but the tacos were one of the best Mexican meals I have ever had.